I turned Mira from K-pop Demon Hunter into a cake, but this cake has already been used before. I'll explain later. But first, let's stack and crumb coat this cake. Nothing stressful yet. Now I'm laying down the base layers for her skin and blocking out her hair. At this point it looks fine, but after this point it starts to not look fine. Because it starts to look like I'm making like a mummy or some sort of a monster. It always feels a little terrifying right before I add the eyes. Now I'm starting to refine her hair shape with some fondant tools and create her eye sockets. Now, one of the things that I really like about Mira's design is how intentional it feels. Maggie Kang, the director, talked about each member having a distinct identity, not just visually but personality-wise, and Mira's personality comes across the strongest to me. She feels very sharp, very deliberate. Now I'm building out her outfit with black fondant, and I'm really feeling these shoulder pads. That's why I think Mira feels like if a runway model became a demon hunter. She has high fashion presence, but at the same time everything feels dangerous. Do you guys know who Domino Harvey is? She was a runway model turned bounty hunter, and that's who Mira reminds me of. Because both characters, it's like the elegance and the violence exist at the same time. And this is where the design really comes together for me, because she's not just a K-pop idol, she's also a warrior. So her outfit mixes fashion but also like armor looking elements. I also like that when they were creating this character they used a mood board for her design, pulling from idols, actors, and models. So what you end up with it feels like a blend of the influences, not just one reference. Now the face. This part decides everything. Mira's expression is key, and that's where I don't think I nailed it. But honestly, a lot of this comes from her eyebrows. They're sharp, like her blade. I just keep adjusting and fine-tuning everything to try and fix it, or also sometimes make it worse. I think she looks pretty, but I think I should have gave her more of a resting witch face. You know what I mean? She's got a lot of tude, usually, and this cake doesn't have that. So her singing voice is played by Audrey Nuna, and I've watched like all of their performances that have been recorded, and Audrey has the same energy as Mira. I don't know, but every time I see her singing, I think that's Mira. I think Mira kind of gets sidetracked in the movie. I mean, we understand that she's a choreographer, and then they briefly mention her family, but they don't really do anything with it, and they don't come back to it. But hopefully in the sequel they do, because I definitely want to know more. Now I'm adding her bangs in her ponytail, and it's starting to pull everything together. At this point, it's starting to look like Mira. Now it's time to add some details. I'm just painting on some detail onto her eyes. And giving her gold detail on her chest some luster dust treatment, which helps bring out all the contrast in the design. And voila! Here she is, Mira, K-pop idol, demon hunter, cake. You know, imposter syndrome is a good thing sometimes, because every time I finish a cake, I'm always surprised. Okay, now I need to admit something. This cake is not new. This was actually the same cake that I used to create Rumi. Notice when I cut the Rumi cake, I cut it on the right side. So what I did was I placed that slice back in, glued it on with some buttercream, and then used it to create the Mira cake. That's why when I cut the Mira cake, I had to cut it on the left side, because that slice was still intact. It saved me so much time, and I was able to reuse the footage from the Rumi cake. So if you notice, the first 15 to 20 seconds of the Rumi cake is exact same as the Mira cake. So one side is intact and the other side is a crime scene. And I'm probably going to be doing this again because I have one more demon hunter to go. But the next cake I'm working on is Peach from Super Mario Galaxy, which means my Peach cake will also be my next K-pop demon hunter cake. Now I'm always curious, what cake should I make next? Let me know in the comments, and make sure you follow for more. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll talk to you soon.